No. You don't have to sit. Come on. Good girl, Lolly. Oh my god.
Okay. Yeah. We used to bathe her.
Hello, my gorgeous girl. Hello, Maple.
This one's fine. Like but I have a suspicion it might have been this golden retriever.
You look so good. You look so good. Yes, you
¡Suéltame, pendejo! ¡Suéltame, güey!
Are you watching TV? Were you watching the sad commercial with all the puppies in the pound? Keep it up and you're gonna go there.
Hey.
Massive. Oh. Come, Pop. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. You're so weird.
Pigs in blankets, turkey, carrots, peas, toys, lots of walks and cuddles with all my family.
Just cooking dinner, just happened to walk by and... Get off of there! Ace! Why?
Look at that butt. Look at it. Look at that butt. Did you just roll your eyes at me?
But I am telling you right now, that mother back there is not real.
JJ.
Bang.
Oh.
Don't make unnecessary journeys. Don't take risks on treacherous roads. And don't swim in the sea. Incredibly.
Stop.
I love my dog. I love my dog. I love my dog. I love my dog. He's a good dog. He's a good boy.
Given Dobby a sock. Master has presented Dobby with clothes. Dobby is free.
Buddy, I just put lotion on. You want to smell it? Oh. Do you not like the smell of it? Smell it. Oh. Does it smell yucky? Oh. Oh. Okay.
I'm not playing with you. I'm not.
Oh, you good, Alice?
Off the ramp. Come here. Lucy, come here. Come here. Look at you making Olive back up. Lucy, come here. Come here, Lucy. Lucy, come here. Now.
Oh, God.
Go. You put your father. I gotta go.
Millie, can I get an hour? No way. Millie, can I get an hour?
I don't know if you would be interested, but I was wondering, since
Cardi, smile. Smile, girl. Say cheese. Yay.
Come on.
Yes. Good boy. What a great smile. Say cheese.
She can't see you, Ruby. You're so stealthy.
He hates me, but he wants me to help him up. Let's go up. Oh, he don't want to. Wait, let me see. Wait. Hey. Hey. Oh, no! Chill. We're going to go play.
Oh my God. What is this? Oh. That's when it come home too?
Cover your, no, okay. Don't cover your head. Oh, okay. There you go. Okay. Night night. Night night.
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요. 인사 잘한다. 안녕하세요. Wait for the screen to go. Looking for it. Stop, Lola. Oh no.
Hi, girl.
Run.
I'm so sick of you. Nike, look at me.
ho detto. Pronti? Partenza? Via!
Hendrik, show everyone how handsome your haircut is.
Martino, ma che cazzo fai? Cosa ti fai fare? È tu inerme, fai.
If you own a pit bull, does he sleep under the covers like this? Or is mine the only one?
Dad just made Dolly the biggest mud puddle ever, huh? He just dug that out and now you're filling it back in. Oh my gosh.
No, God! No, God, please!
The noise. I can't.
Stop! 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 Go, stop. Come here now. Stop. Stop. Okay. Stop.
Get the beer. Get Daddy beer. Good girl. Take it to Daddy. Come on.
Let's play.
Wait.
Come here, honey. Give me the beer. Ah, that's my girl. You're coming to the beach with me.
Get it. Good boy, bring it in. Bring it. Come on. Come on. Up.
I have to scratch Frida. Birdie.
Marlon, come on. Come on.
Rebel! Rebel!
dog does. He comes to me to tell on himself that he ate her food. And then he's too full.
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some.
Took the best nap. Hello.
The Dachshund was bred to be fearless. They are actually the #2 most aggressive dog breed in the world.
¿Y por qué le trató de negro a mi hijo? Le gritó de negro, le dijo negro, y mi hijo, yo sé que es negro.
Go. Get in cage. Get in cage. Get in cage. Come on.
Wow.
Sophie, give Daddy a hug. Give Daddy a hug. Oh.
What's that, huh? You don't want to look at that? You want to explain that to your mom? Huh? What's this, Gom? Huh? What is that? You guys are having a party here today, huh? Huh? Goma?
I'm just gonna scooch in right here if you don't mind. Shh.
Va par ta papy. Va par ta papy. Viens. Viens.
Molto, molto, molto buono. Oh bimbo.
Really?
Oakley, come here. Come here.
Open the door or I'm going to throw rocks through your window.
she look at you?
Excuse me. Excuse me.
Another day, another victory for the OG, taking down the sweats, the imposters among us.
You giving her a big hug?
A true.
And like a little cheese ball, and then I just pretend like I didn't mean to drop it. Honey, no, honey, no, honey, no. Tricked ya.
Holly, you talk.
Sissy.
Begin.
什么意思啊？他要拿勺子。
Oh my god.
Stay with me.
Who did this? Buddy.